Alright, now let's talk about something that confuses almost all call center agents, all people working in call center industry, which is final expense insurance. You hear people saying that we are working on final expense or FE, or we are calling on final expense insurance campaign. But do you know what is exactly final expense is? So don't worry. Today in this video, I'm gonna explain it to you so simply. Today in this video, I will explain FE or final expense insurance so simply that even a 10-year kid could understand easily. What is final expense insurance? First thing first, what is meant by final expense insurance? Final expense is, combination of two words, final and expense. Final means lost and expense means cost or the money you spend. So final expense is the money that helped to pay someone for their last cost. Actually, it means when someone passes away. Sound sad? Alright, but that's very helpful thing. And let me explain to you that. So actually when someone dies, their family has to pay for burial or funeral cost, cremation or casket, and sometimes even for flower and other services, their family has to pay for it. And sometimes actually the person who just died left some bill behind, so their family has to pay for it. And in United States or in USA, it costs like sometime from $8,000 to $15,000. So it's a huge money. Now, not everyone has that kind of money, that much cash ready. So what actually people do, they actually buy final expense, a small life insurance that pay that cost when they're just passes away from the world. So actually their family doesn't have to struggle with bills and other things. Now let me tell you how it works. Mr. Johnson is a 65-year retired person living peacefully, but he is not worried about his life, but he's worried about his family and his kid. He don't want to give any trouble to his family when he passes away. So what he actually is do, he buy a final expense insurance costing him maybe $10,000. And what actually he will do, he will pay every month $50, $70 or $80 to the company. So when his time comes, so the company will pay maybe $10,000 or $15,000 to the family. So their kids, their family, and their loved one will don't worry about the final services, the flowers, the cremation and funeral things. So it will all be taken care by the company because he got insurance in his life, final expense insurance. So it's a huge and a big gift for everyone, especially for retired and senior citizen. Now the question is, who buys final expense insurance? People from 50 to 85 years old or 90 maybe actually buy this insurance final expense, or people with stable or basically average income, or also people who love their family and don't give any money stress to their family when they're just passed away. So what actually they're looking for, they're not looking for $1 million coverage, but they're just looking for something, and they just expecting something for their family when they just passes away to take care of their final expenses like cremation, burial, and maybe gifts, flowers, etc. So they're not looking for $1 million coverage, but they're just looking for something to give to their family and give some hope to their family and to take care of the bills they left behind. Now, as a call center agent, you will have to call to the senior people, senior citizen from 50s to 90s or 85-year-old people. You will have to call them and you will let them about your plan, that you're selling something and you're offering them something, and you will have to let them know that you're offering something very, very important and beneficial, special for your final cremation, and especially if you don't give any money stress to your family. So basically, as a call center agent, you will have to inform them, not to scare them. And then let me tell you all of the benefits. Let's summarize the benefits in simple, super way. Number one, it will cover your burial and funeral expense. Number two, it will help your family to avoid money stress at all. Number three, no medical exam. Normally they will just ask some health related question. Number four is it will give you a very affordable rate. So very affordable monthly cost. And final is it will give you a peace of mind. And that's why people call final expense because it will cover you all of your final expenses in your life. Now, I'm pretty sure you have a very enough and good idea what it actually final expense is, how it works. And when someone says they're working in call center on final expense, you know exactly what they are talking about. And final expense, actually, they're helping people to prepare for something that everyone has to face someday. Now, if you're still watching my video and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my videos. Thank you.